what this prompt has given me. One secret prompt that creates 5 business ideas. Let me ask you, viewers, what if you could generate 5 business ideas in seconds? Not simply normal ideas, but highly detailed. Most people sit for hours trying to brainstorm, but this prompt makes ChatGPT to do the thinking for you. This is the one prompt. I will read it as it is. Act as startup strategist. Generate 5 profitable online business ideas based on current market trends, low startup cost, digital products or service. For each idea, include business concept, target audience, and potential revenue model. This is good structure and detailed instruction for ChatGPT to understand and create what we want. Explanation: this prompt works because it tells ChatGPT to think like a business strategist instead of a normal assistant. Here are the 5 clear examples that ChatGPT gave me when I put the prompt. AI content creation agency. Concept as a structured format here, for example. Here, concept, business concept. AI content creation agency. Business concept: use ChatGPT and AI tools to create blog posts, social media content, and marketing copy for business. Target audience, for example, sell businesses, coaches, online source, and startups. Revenue model: monthly content packages about 200 up to 1,000. The second, AI YouTube script writing service. Business concept: use ChatGPT to generate high retention YouTube scripts for creators. Target audience: YouTubers, content creators, and agencies. Revenue model: from 20 up to 100 per script. Monthly creator package. The third, lead magnet creation service. Business concept: create high converting lead magnets, PDFs, guides, checklists, mini ebooks using AI. Target audience: coaches, courses, creators, and consultants. Revenue model: from 50 up to 300 per lead. Funnel startup package. The fourth, AI social media content service. Business concept: use AI to generate daily social media posts and the captions. By the way, in the next video, I will share version of one prompt. That one prompt creates 10 social media posts with one go. So this one is, for example, example of that. But with the social media prompt writer, I will come with another new video. Here, use AI to generate daily social media posts and captions. Target audience: influencers, personal brands, local business. Revenue model: monthly subscription, 100 up to 500 per month. The fifth, digital product business. Business concept: create digital products with ChatGPT, such as prompt packs, ebooks, templates, guides, target audience, entrepreneurs, creators, and freelancers. Revenue model, sell on Gumroad, sell on Stanstore, sell on C. Viewers, the most exciting thing about this AI business idea is that they are accessible to almost anyone. You do not need to be a programmer. You just need to learn how to use AI tools strategically. And once you understand how to combine AI, creativity, and marketing, the opportunity becomes almost unlimited. If you want more practical AI prompts and business frameworks like this, make sure to subscribe to the Prompt Engine. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.